Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are doing well. Here we are going to start about the Broadway book because we are done with the chapters that are selected for the first term in the grammar tree book. Now we will do some work in the your Broadway book. Okay. I'm not going to read a whole text for you. You will do the reading task by your own self. I'll just make you clear about the topics, about the chapters, that what they are talking about. Okay. So here is your task 5. Topic is everyday things. Okay. Everyday things. From the name, what you think that what the poem is about. Do you have any idea about the poem? If they are talking about the everyday things, or they're talking about the cooking, or are they talking about the games, etc.? Any idea? No? Okay. This poem is about the things that you people do every day. Like when you wake up in the morning, you just go to the washroom and wash your face and get ready for the schools, etc. So like the same, the other people also do the same. Like they get up early in the morning, they wash their faces, okay, they comb their hairs, they do their breakfast, etc. So such type of things are known as everyday things. Okay, in this poem you will study about the things that you people do, and mostly the other people also do that. Okay, like if we take an example of president or any millionaire or any teacher or any student or any person, and you just compare that person with your own self. So the activities you perform in the morning will be the same as the other perform that. Okay. So this poem is all about that, like bathing, taking bath, etc. Brushing your teeth, comb your hair, or washing your face, etc. Like, okay. So all these things they will come in this poem, like everyday things. So here we have to read the poem and illustrate your answer about the everyday things that you think others will also do the same. I think if you listen to me carefully, then it will be easy for you to quote your answer over here. Okay, so you have to read the poem first. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to write an answer that what you people do in the morning or what you people do in the whole day, and the other people also do the same. Okay, so you have to write it over here, like if you can write that I wash my face and the others also wash their faces, etc. Okay, then what you have to do, the same activity, it is read the poem and write down English meanings. Okay, you are not allowed to write the Urdu meanings, English meanings, and then make a sentence of the given difficult words. If you are facing any problem, you must have your dictionaries and you have to consult your dictionary in case of facing any difficulty. Then is words, meanings, and sentences. Here is the word millionaires. You have to find the meaning, English meaning, then you have to write it over here. अगर इस ब्लॉक में पूरा नहीं आता तो काइंडली प्लीज़ एक लाइन ड्रॉ करके, लाइक अगर मैं इसको करती हूँ ऐसे, सॉरी, लाइक अगर यहाँ पे मीनिंग इट्स क्वाइट लेंथी, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं लाइन ड्रॉ करूँगी और उसमें जो है ऊपर से स्टार्ट करके फिर नीचे लाइन में फिर मैं लिखूँगी. ओके, सो काइंडली प्लीज़ अगर आपकी कोई मीनिंग जो है वो एक बॉक्स में नहीं आ रहा है तो उसमें लाइन ड्रॉ करके उस लाइन के ऊपर फिर लिखना. सही है. देन इज़ योर नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, Then is stockings. Okay, stockings. You have to find the meaning and then you have to make a sentence on the word, not on the meaning. You have to make a sentence using this word. Okay, like stocking, you have to make a sentence on stocking and you have to find the meaning of stocking. Then is down. It's quite easy. Oil, chalk, hill, folk and hopping. Folk you know better, ये हमने पढ़ा भी था. Okay, then come towards the exercise. After reading the text, you can easily answer the questions given below. Try to create an easy answer. Okay, no spoon feeding from your parents. You have to do this by your own self. Try to create a simple and easy answer. Okay, taking clue from your textbook. Okay, then here is what is the main message of the poem. You have read the poem, you have come to know about the poem, that what the poem is about. So what is the main message? What does the poem tell you about the things that are written inside the poem? Then is question number 2 is how millionaires, presidents, kings like ordinary people. कह रहे कि आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके जो मिलीनियर्स है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा रिच पीपल है, जो प्रेसिडेंट्स है, जो बादशाह है, वो आम लोगों की तरह किस तरह सेम हो सकते हैं. ऐसी कौन सी वजह है, ऐसे कौन से काम करते हैं ये लोग कि हम लोग और मिलीनियर्स और प्रेसिडेंट्स और किंग्स जो है ना, हम सेम हैं. Then what you have to do, this is question number 3, you have to pick out the rhyming words from the poem and then you have to write it over here. Okay, this one is the next chapter and I'll explain this in the next video. Okay.